Okay. Alright, now that all three screws are out, we're going to try and pry this battery bay open. You'll get recorded. No, hold on. Latches. Yeah, this is scary stuff. Scary, scary. Gently lift this up.
You have 2 more latches.
I'm afraid of breaking the power button here. I don't know if you can see that power button right there. To turn on the phone seems very loose, and I'm worried about it latching off or breaking.
Let me try.
No. Prying it here seems to... I'm a little afraid of ripping off the volume buttons. Prying it here, I'm really kind of paranoid about the whole entire thing. Taking my time, not rushing into anything.
Might take an hour.
I'm gonna take a small break.